Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable or fix RCS messaging not working on your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to use RCS messaging so that if you text with someone with an Android phone, it still can have the reactions and same feel as if you were texting them and they had a message, I'll show you how to fix that. The first thing we'll do is head into your settings and scroll to the very bottom and tap on apps. Now we need to get into our messaging to be able to enable this. So the first thing we need to do is tap on messages and scroll down towards the bottom. You should see under text messages RCS messaging, and I can tap on it. It says send and receive messages using RCS uses wireless data. You can always toggle this off if it's not working correctly and then toggle it back on. However, some people might not see the ability to turn on and off RCS messaging. If you don't necessarily see it, this help page by Apple explains a couple of different things that are required to use RCS. You need iOS 18 or later, and you need a carrier that supports this. You can go through the long list of various countries and various carriers in that country to see if they support RCS messaging. Now, if they do support it, there are a couple of things you can do to get it fixed. Let's hop into your settings, and we're going to tap on General and then Software Update. Again, it says you need iOS 18 or later, so if you don't have iOS 18, just upgrade to the latest iOS operating system and then you'll be good to go. The second thing you can do is go all the way back, and sometimes your cellular plan or eSIM just needs to be reset. To enable that, we're going to tap on Cellular. You can see under a TNT, which is what I have in the United States, I'm going to toggle off turn on this line. This essentially disconnects my eSIM. Now I can tap on this again and turn it back on. It will reinitiate and enable my line, and it will reconnect to my carrier. A lot of times there are bugs or glitches in there, and just by turning off your line through eSIM and re-enabling it, you can restore the connection between your phone and carrier, which will send over the ability to turn on and use RCS messaging. So that's basically how you can enable or fix RCS messaging not working on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.